अभी देखते हैं।
ठीक है, देख लो अगर वो ज्वाइन। All right, so day 3, final day, and today we are going to talk about hands, right? So we have moved on the journey from our head, mind, the beliefs, the thoughts, to emotions. Yesterday, we spent some time on emotions. And how do we align the head, the heart, and finally the hands, which is nothing but the actions? What do we do and how do we move forward? Right? That's what we are going to do. So excited? Yes? Then give me a thumbs up if you're excited. Do that. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Yes. Fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I didn't get that.
Just a minute.
Okay. All right. So I am moving forward and I'm going to do a quick recap, but a good applause for all of you to be here and pat your backs because you are making that decision to be here, wanting to make a change in your life. So applause to you. Now we have covered 5 power that you have. We are trying to unlock the 5 power that you have, and we will do the 2 more today. 4 we have done. So the first one is win over your voice. There is this voice, and that voice should be in your control, and you should win over that voice, which is what we covered on day 1. Correct? Second power was to catch the negative. So become aware of a negative thought that's coming in and catch it. Third was focus. So the belief is, yes, Priya.
Shalini, sorry for interruption. भारती को 6:30 का मैसेज क्या?
6:30
मैसेज कर रही है मुझे. आपने कुछ मेल किया था क्या 6:30 का?
नहीं.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मैं उसे रिस्पॉन्ड कर देती हूँ. जी, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah. So just tell her, send her the link, today's link, and ask her to join.
अरे मैं सेंड कर चुकी हूँ उसे.
Okay. ठीक है. Focus. So what you focus on grows, and we will spend a little bit more time today on this. And then the fourth one was let go, where we talked about the borrowed beliefs and letting go of those beliefs which do not serve us or which is not helping us to move forward. आज हम बाकी के 2 power unlock करेंगे. Clear? So before that I want to tell a story. Now this story, ये जो है, this is about one lady. So America में क्या होता है? It's okay, no, if I speak in Hindi, fine? You understand Hindi?
I'm comfortable in Hindi.
Absolutely, I'm very much comfortable in Hindi. Yeah.
क्योंकि ये स्टोरी का एसेंस पूरा हिंदी में आएगा, ठीक है?
हिंदी में ही बोलिए आप.
So in America, उनके जो घर होते हैं ना, they have row houses and all that, हाँ? And usually लोग मेन सिटी में नहीं रह करके दूर रहते हैं, and then they travel to work रोज का, okay? तो दूर जो उनके, they call them the towns which are surrounded big cities. So every day people from these towns, they go to work in the main city and evening they come back, right? तो अब दिन में जब सब काम करने वाले चले गए हैं and all the students पढ़ने वाले हैं कॉलेज में, whose dog?
सॉरी शालिनी, वो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रही, उसे 9 फेब का मैसेज आ रहा है. आप इनविटेशन दे दीजिए ना.
मेरे पास ना उनका नंबर है. आप
नंबर में सेंड करती हूँ.
ask her to join this link.
मैं बोल रही
लिंक भेज दो ना, वो क्लिक करेगी जूम तो आ जाएगा.
I'm missing you all because there's a lot of disturbance coming, and I don't know from where.
जो भी बाकी सब लोगों को म्यूट करने बोल दो, नंबर 1, और प्रियंका जस्ट लिंक को क्लिक करने बोलो. डोंट वरी अबाउट द टाइम, जस्ट लिंक को क्लिक करने बोलो.
Just ask her to click that link. No, she can join.
क्लिक दैट लिंक.
मैंने भेज दिए लिंक.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now, please just
And बाकी
continue. Otherwise, we'll miss. And I'm muting everyone. She's joining. Okay. All right, and I'm muting everybody because otherwise there's too much of disturbance coming from somewhere. All right, so now I'm going back to the story. ये story America की है, about the place close to a big city जहाँ आसपास के towns हैं, and ये एक town की story है. So one day when जो काम करने वाले थे, all those people, they go to the city, okay, and all the students also who are a little elder going to school or college, they have gone to their school and college. तो उस शहर में, उस टाउन में only the elders जो बहुत बुढ़े हैं, जो काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, the retirees, या तो बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं, रह जाते हैं डे टाइम में. okay, now one such day जब सब लोग अपने काम पे चले गए हैं, तो एक लेडी है, वो अपने घर में बैठी है. ओके, शी इज डूइंग समथिंग, और उसको बाहर दिखता है कि बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, छोटे वाले बच्चे. ओके, एंड एक कार खड़ी है स्लोप पे जिसका प्रोबेबली हैंड ब्रेक नहीं लगा है. तो जब बच्चे खेल रहे हैं तो एक बॉल आकर के वो कार को लगती है और वो कार स्टार्ट्स मूविंग. जब हैंड ब्रेक नहीं लगता तो गाड़ी हिलने लगती है, और क्योंकि वो स्लोप पे है तो वो नीचे जा रही है, और वहां बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, और ये कार जा करके एक छोटी बच्ची उसके कार के नीचे फंस जाती है. एंड बाकी छोटे जो बच्चे हैं जोर से चिल्लाने लगते हैं और बहुत शोर होने लगता है. तो ये देख रही है, इसको दिख रहा है, जैसे ओल्ड लेडी, 80 ईयर ओल्ड लेडी, उसको दिखाई दे रहा है. एंड शी जस्ट गोज आउट, और जा करके वो कार को उठाती है, और बाकी जब बच्चे हैं जो वो छोटी बच्ची को निकाल लेते हैं. ओके, तब तक बाकी नेबर्स भी आ जाते हैं, एंड दे सी कि उसने ये क्या किया है. सो उसने कार उठा करके रख दिया, एंड देन शी कम्स बैक अपने रूम में and locks herself in the room and keeps crying. किसी से बात नहीं कर रही है, रो रही है, बात नहीं कर रही है बस. हाँ, और सब उसके, तब तक फिर बाकी लोग आ जाते हैं और नेबर्स आ जाते हैं, फिर उससे पूछ रहे हैं आप रो क्यों रहे हो, आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया, why you not talking, come out. But she's not listening to anybody and she's not talking to anybody and she's just crying. So उनका एक फ्रेंड है, फिर उसको बुलाया जाता है. This old man also comes and he says, okay fine, मैं आपसे नहीं पूछूंगा आप रो क्यों रहे हो, but आप दरवाजा खोलो, मुझे अंदर आने दो, सब लोग आपके लिए परेशान हैं. तो वो दरवाजा खोलती है and this man goes in and she's crying and she doesn't want to talk to him. So he just sits with her and lets her cry. और थोड़ी देर बाद कहता है कि मुझसे रहा नहीं जा रहा है, तुमने आज इतना बहादुरी का काम किया है, 80 ईयर ओल्ड हो, तुमने कार उठाई है, तुमने उस बच्चे को बचाया है, बाकी बच्चों को जो सब डर गए थे उनका ख्याल रखा, तुम रो क्यों रहे हो. And then she looks around, looks at him and says, अगर मुझे पता होता कि मेरे में इतनी पावर है तो मेरी जिंदगी बहुत अलग होती. मुझे आज 80 साल की उम्र में पता चल रहा है कि मेरे पास ऐसा पावर है. So the point that I'm trying to make is, पावर तो सब में है, आप में है, मुझ में है, सब में है. आपको पता है कि आप में क्या पावर है. आप कर क्या सकते हो आपको पता ही नहीं है. So don't be like that old lady at 80 years. You realize, oh my God, I could do this, but I couldn't. मैंने किया नहीं. क्योंकि वो रिग्रेट बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा फिर. So every day, रोज आप अपना कुछ ना कुछ अपने बारे में सीखिए, कुछ ना कुछ अपने बारे में समझिए, and see how you can bring that to life. और उस चीज से आप अपनी जिंदगी को और कैसे बना सकते हैं, ये बहुत जरूरी है. सो हमारा सेशन जो है इज ऑल अबाउट अनलॉकिंग द पावर, राइट? बट पावर तो है, अनलॉक करना है, बट कब करेंगे? So all of us are like Hanumanji. We all know the story of Hanumanji, right? When he had to go to Lanka first time and find Sita, he said, "ये तो इतना बड़ा समुंदर है, how can I cross?" And then somebody reminded him कि भाई आप में power है to jump and reach Lanka. You have that much of power, and that's what he did. But somebody had to make him realize he had forgotten. And all of us have forgotten. What is the power that we have? So it is important, because we are closing on today, it is important for us to know what is the power that we have, how are we going to leverage it, and bring it out for a significant difference to us and to the world around us. Does it make sense? How did you like the story? What else did you write? You can unmute yourself and speak.
Absolutely. Very nice.
Very inspiring. Very inspiring.
Inspiring.
Very inspiring.
Is this a true story or?
ये किसका question है? शाइन का?
I think it is true story. No?
I don't know. It's a story. How does it matter if it's true or not? You want to believe it's true, believe.
But Hanuman's story is true.
हनुमान जी से तो भारती मिली है, इसको पता है.
These are all metaphors in life, and we learn from them. How does it matter if it's true or not? The essence is real, right?
Okay.
But the moral behind it definitely makes sense, right? So
Exactly.
is that don't wait till the end of your life to understand your powers.
What you could have done, exactly. There is so much that is there within all of us. Yeah. Okay. So having said that, let's move to see. We'll just quickly touch upon the vision that we talked about yesterday. Any thoughts on what we did yesterday? Any clarity? कुछ और समझ में आया? कुछ confusion हो गया? On your vision. So do you have a vision for yourself?
I'm still thinking.
Very good. Thinking is a good place to be. Thinking is a good place to be. This is
Actually, I can't organize myself now. That is very much a problem with me. I can't organize the time, my thinking. It is going here and there. I can't concentrate myself.
आपने अपने आप में इतना सारा कांट भर के रखा है ना लाइफ में, हाँ भारती, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मैं वो नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो आगे कैसे चलेगी जिंदगी? Forget about the world. Look at yourself. अपने आप को देखो और कहो कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ऐसे जीना है, मुझे ये चाहिए. उतना कर सकते हो? दुनिया को छोड़ दो, सर्कमस्टेंसेस को छोड़ दो, पहले अपने आप से बात तो करो. Otherwise, you will always be in that same classic rut. and world will take over. Okay. So we will come back to vision a little later in today's session. I'm moving forward because I want, yesterday I was asked a question of growth. Growth kya hai? Any questions on that? Any confusion, any thoughts? What is growth?
No.
Growth
It's
clear?
clear.
Shine? Clear on growth? What does growth mean to you?
See, I saw two parts which you had covered, and that was still the vision part, right? Growth aspect I've not kind of covered. That is something that I have to see.
Doesn't
But
matter.
growth, to me, if you ask me, then it means meaningful progression in life, right? And not being stagnant and dogmatic in whatever I do, kind of stuff.
So some movement is happening. Something is happening.
Yeah.
It's a positive moment.
Particular direction, है ना? कहीं तो आगे गाड़ी चल रही है.
Upward direction.
Awesome. ठीक है. So now one more thing that I want to talk about is whenever in life, when we get stuck on growth and we realize that we want growth, but it's not coming. मिल नहीं रहा है या आ नहीं रहा है growth, right? So I want you to go back to a situation where, say, in 8th class, you had a mathematics exam और mathematics का एक सवाल था जो आपको बहुत तकलीफ देता था, आपको समझ में नहीं आता था. ठीक है, किसी तरह चीटिंग करके पूछ के you understood that and you moved forward. Now suppose you have a sibling, आपका भाई है, अब वो 8th में पहुंचा है और अब आप 12th में हो या engineering first year में हो. Okay, the same सवाल, if your brother brings it to you, will you be able to solve it better now?
No.
Yes, obviously. Correct. So what happened? When you were in 8th class, you found the same question very difficult. But when you move to a higher class, the angle from which you look at the problem changes because your level of capability goes up, right? The same thing applies for growth. Wherever you are sitting, if you're just trying to be where you are and expect growth, it will not come. अगर आपको ग्रोथ चाहिए तो आपको अपना एंगल बदलना पड़ेगा, तो लेवल ऑफ कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, तब ग्रोथ आपको आएगी. Otherwise you will be stuck in the same place. Are you understanding? So we keep saying ना यार इतने दिन से कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई ग्रोथ नहीं हो रही, हम वहीं के वहीं हैं क्योंकि आप उसी लेवल पे देख रहे हो. आपको क्या करना है? आपको अपना लेवल बढ़ाना है, आपको अपनी कैपेबिलिटी, कॉम्पिटेंसी, स्किल, एटीट्यूड और थिंकिंग, that has to change for you to grow. That's also known as the growth mindset. Now, one very easy example of growth mindset is taking feedback. A lot of people do not like to get feedback, right? किसी से दूसरे से पूछना कि आपको क्या लगता है, मुझे ये करना चाहिए या ये मैंने ठीक किया या मैं क्या इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ, बहुत लोग नहीं पसंद करते हैं. बट जो लोग ग्रोथ माइंडसेट वाले होते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज ओपन टू लर्न फ्रॉम वेयरएवर दे कैन, क्योंकि उससे उनकी लेवल एंगल बदल रहा है. Are you understanding this? So this becomes very critical if you want to unlock your own potential. क्योंकि अगर आप अभी जिस पोजीशन पे है वहीं से अपने आप को देख रहे हो तो आपको नहीं लगेगा कि आप में कुछ खास है. Same thing like that lady. She lived 80 years of her life from that angle only. When the situation forced her to change the angle, Then she saw, oh my God, मुझ में तो ये भी है. Are you able to get that? So growth mindset is very critical for you if you want to unlock something hidden within you and also move forward in terms of your own career, business, or thinking. Okay, so you have to increase the level of your capability. This also helps in problem solving. This also helps in taking decisions. क्योंकि अगर आपने अपनी capability बढ़ा ली है, तो फिर आपको problem छोटा दिखेगा. 8th class का problem छोटा दिखेगा. अगर आपने अपनी capability बढ़ा ली है, तो आपको कोई भी decision लेने में एक और angle, different angle मिलेगा. Right? So it is always important to keep changing your angle. ठीक है? Let's move forward. So ये था flow हमारा. You know, the belief, the thought, attitude, मतलब आपके क्या विश्वास है, आपकी क्या सोच है, आपकी क्या attitude है, आप किस तरह के behavior दिखाते हो, आप क्या action लेते हो और उससे आपके क्या outcomes आते हैं. ठीक है? Now, belief and thoughts are mind related, head and mind. Attitudes and behaviors are heart related, correct? Attitude of gratitude is heart related. Yeah, इसका attitude ही बहुत खराब है. जब देखोगे तब गुस्सा करता है. It's an emotion related. Okay? And then comes your hands, which is nothing but your actions and your outcomes. So this is the whole connection of heart, head and hand, or mind, emotions and body. हम लोग mind and body बोलते हैं, हम emotions को भूल जाते हैं, but emotion कल हमने देखा बहुत important role play करता है in everything. So are you all with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Any question अभी तक? Does it make sense?
It does.
आजकल जो लेटेस्ट स्टडीज है इसमें इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस जो होता है EQ उसको ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता है इन कंपेयर टू IQ.
क्यों बताओ?
EQ इमोशनल क्वेश्चन
क्यों दिया जाता है ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस?
जी इमोशनल रियली ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस रखते हैं इंटेलिजेंस से.
क्यों?
क्योंकि हम किसी सिचुएशन में कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, हमारा रिएक्शन जो होगा, रिस्पॉन्स जो होगा, वो हमारे इमोशंस पे ज्यादा डिपेंड करता है.
एग्जैक्टली. आप जितना आप स्कूल और कॉलेज में you spend time, you are only focused on your head, right? The mind, knowledge, information, it's all
नॉलेज को गैदर किया जा सकता है पर इमोशंस को गैदर नहीं, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को लिया नहीं जा सकता किसी से.
तो
नॉलेज को हम ले सकते हैं.
आप सब चीज को ले सकते हो. एक मिनट. हाँ, so if you are focused on your head but you have to take an action with your hands. Now head operates at a different level, hand operates at a different level. तो आपको जो कुछ भी मालूम है कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उसी चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करो, राइट? हमको बहुत सारी चीजें पता होती हैं बट हम उन सब चीजों को इम्प्लीमेंट तो नहीं करते ना लाइफ में.
सही है.
बहुत सारी चीजें as a knowledge is available but we always say नहीं practically ये नहीं होता है and we don't implement it. The heart or the emotion is the link between your hands and your head. So when you understand something and then it connects with your heart, then you are able to implement it better. So this session starts from head, heart and hand or outcome, okay? But in life, if you want something, then you always start by the action or by the vision or the goal, kya chahiye, the outcome, and then work on the emotions and look at the beliefs. So it works backwards. Are you understanding? So these are all connected. अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि मुझे फिल्म स्टार बनना है, I want to see myself as a film star. So that's my outcome. Okay. Now, if that is my outcome, तो उसके लिए मुझे एक्शन लेना है, तो शायद मुझे ट्रेनिंग सीखनी होगी, एक्टिंग स्कूल ज्वाइन करना होगा, वो एक्शन है, करेक्ट? और उसके लिए मेरा बचपन से कुछ बिहेवियर्स रहे होंगे ना, शीशे के सामने खड़े होकर के अपने आप का मेकअप करना, some of those behaviors, I'm just saying. And the attitude is that I am so beautiful or I am so smart that I can become a film star. So are you seeing how backward it is playing? And then the thought comes that I can become a film star. I have it in me. And then the belief comes in. It could be anything to do with as simple as I'm also from Allahabad, so why can't I become like Amitabh Bachchan? You know, I'm just giving you an example, but are you seeing how it works backward?
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आज जो हम हैं वो हम शुरू से सोचते आ रहे थे, आपका मतलब?
Awesome.
बिल्कुल ये
Life you are living today is an outcome of your thinking. जो आप आज जिंदगी जी रहे हो वो आपने खुद अपने दिमाग में बहुत पहले से सोची हुई है. In terms of beliefs, thoughts, attitudes, behaviors, results and outcome.
So we should not regret.
समझ में आ जाए, अगर ये समझ में आ जाए तो that means आपको सबसे बड़ा पावर समझ में आ गया.
So we should not regret right now where I am. So we should not regret right now where I am.
Because you only have chosen to be here.
तुम्हारा डिसीजन था ना,
आपका ही डिसीजन था. आप जो जिंदगी जी रहे हो वो आपकी सोच से जी रहे हो. But the power is that अगर ये हमारे अंदर है तो हम कल वो जिंदगी जी सकते हैं जो हम चाहते हैं. Right? So tomorrow you can live the life you want. Because that is the power.
सही है.
हम अपनी करंट लाइफ को देख करके अगर दुखी हो जाएं, हाँ, कि अरे क्या हो गया, ऐसा क्यों है, then moving forward will not happen. But if
नहीं, दुखी नहीं है, वो क्या सोच रहे हैं कि हमको सभी चीजें मिल जानी चाहिए थी, करियर, फैमिली, हस्बैंड, बच्चे, लैविशली लिविंग, सभी चीजें, पर ऐसा नहीं हो पाता ना.
ये बिलीव ऐसा नहीं हो पाता. क्यों नहीं हो पाता है भाई? कैसे आप किसी को जानते हो जिसको सभी कुछ मिला है? ऐसे
बहुत लोग हैं
ना,
बहुत,
है ना. तो उनको क्यों मिला और आपको क्यों नहीं मिला? So the difference is in the thinking, the belief, the thought. Are you able to get this? If you are able to get this whole piece, कि आज जो मैं जी रही हूँ वो मैंने कभी पुराना सोचा था, अगर ये समझ में आ जाए तो कल मैं जो जीऊंगी वो मुझे आज सोचना है.
Yeah, got it.
Got it, no? Awesome. If you've got this, you've actually got 99% of the whole understanding of life. Okay? So again, are you living your own life or are you living life which is dictated by situations, circumstances, people and others? And now, if you've understood the previous thing, now you understand the power you have to create the life that you want. आप अपनी जिंदगी कैसी चाहते हो वो आपके हाथ में. आज, पास्ट में नहीं, पास्ट खत्म. पास्ट में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, फ्यूचर में भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, आप आज कर सकते हो. तो आप आज क्या कर रहे हो कि फ्यूचर आपको वैसा मिले जैसा आपको चाहिए?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Sure.
Awesome. Okay. So, power number 5, take control. Take control of your present, take control of your future. Yeah. So note this down. Take control is the power number 5 that you have within you. Okay. Any doubts here? Clear on this? Give me a thumbs up if this is clear.
Yeah.
Clear? How does it make you feel? Smile, smiley do, कुछ तो reaction दो मुझे. हाँ?
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा positive हो गई हूँ मैं. Hopeful.
Makes you feel good. Thank you.
Hopeful.
High five. Good. Give me a high five. Awesome. Fantastic. Hi, Sanjeev. Okay. So let's move forward. So this is.
Hey, hi, Shalini. Yeah, sorry.
Hi.
Just got in.
No, good that you joined in. Okay. So just for Sanjeev's benefit, I'm going to show him this. So Sanjeev, we were talking about the flow. Okay. The flow, which you can see on the screen, which is belief, thoughts, attitudes, behaviors, actions, and outcomes. So if we want a different outcome in the future, we need to change the belief in the today. So that's what we were talking, which is the 5th power of taking control. Okay, and transform your vision of the world to transform your life. Now, this is very important. How do you see the world? Do you see the world as a very difficult place? आप जो देखोगे आपको वो मिलेगा. या बहुत खराब है तो आपको ऐसे ही सिचुएशंस होंगे लाइफ में टू प्रूव टू यू कि दुनिया बहुत खराब है. यूनिवर्स आपको हमेशा सही साबित करेगा. अगर आपको लगता है दुनिया खराब है तो आपके लिए दुनिया खराब होगी. आपको लगता है दुनिया बहुत मस्त है तो कुछ भी हो तो दुनिया में आपकी सिचुएशंस मस्त रहेंगे.
सही है.
ये आपके अगेन दिस इज विद इन योर ओन हेड. इट डजंट रियली मैटर व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. हम लोग टीवी देखते हैं, राइट? हम न्यूज लगाते हैं और उसमें अजीब अजीब चीजों की न्यूज आती है और उस न्यूज में हम इतना खो जाते हैं कि हम अपनी लाइफ में वो न्यूज को इतना बड़ा बता देते हैं. लास्ट ईयर रिमेम्बर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के टाइम पे हाउ मच इंटरेस्टेड वी वर इन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. करेक्ट?
राइट.
सबको जानना था कि क्या हो रहा है और फिर सबके अपने थ्योरीज थे. क्या हुआ होगा, क्यों हुआ होगा, किसने किया होगा. Fine, but you remember that for us that had become such a big reality that we had disconnected from many things that were happening around us, and that took a precedent which actually did not serve any purpose to any of us. Even till today we don't know what happened. बट अब किसी को याद नहीं है तो इट इज ऑल मीडिया क्रिएटेड. मीडिया नहीं बोला होता तो हम भूल जाते थे जल्दी. अभी इतने 4 महीने से मीडिया कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है तो हमारे ध्यान में भी नहीं है. Why are you not interested now to know what happened? Why have you given it up now?
Attention changing.
Exactly. So what you see in the world is basis what you want to see in the world, and the world or the universe will show you what you want to see in the world. So be very careful what you are looking for. हम कहते हैं ना यार ये लोग खराब लोग हैं, okay? या दुनिया वर्ल्ड बहुत you know you can't trust people, ऐसा सब बोलते हैं हम लोग, और वो एक्चुअली हमारी लाइफ में वैसा होने लगता है.
सही है.
क्योंकि हमारी सोच है वो, राइट? Shine, are you with me? So
Absolutely, yeah.
Any thoughts on this, whatever we are talking?
No, I completely agree with whatever you've said. Your thoughts actually shape who you are, and probably has shaped who you have become till now.
Right. Okay. So moving forward, now if we have our clarity of our vision, clarity of where we want to go, what do we want to do in life? How do we want to see our life? हमारी लाइफ कैसी होनी चाहिए, हमें क्या करना है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज जब तक वो क्लैरिटी नहीं होगी ना, आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे. आप घर से निकलोगे, आपके पास सॉलिड फरारी है, पर आपको पता ही नहीं कहाँ जाना है, तो आप लेके कहाँ जाओगे उस कार को?
सही.
Right? So once you have that clarity, then your goal has to be decided by you. Ki are you really interested in that, or are you committed? अब जैसे for example, Priyanka wants to become a politician. Now, is she interested to become a politician, or is she committed to become a politician?
अभी तो interested.
Right? तो interested और committed में क्या फर्क है?
अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, उस डिसीजन को फर्म नहीं कर पा रहे.
So अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप उसी हद तक काम करोगे उसके लिए जो आपके लिए कन्वीनियंट है.
हाँ, आज की स्थिति में तो यही है.
But if you are committed, if you are
committed, पास्ट में मैं कमिटेड थी अपनी कॉम्पिटिशन्स को लेके, तो मैंने उसको क्लियर करा, वो कमिटमेंट था. अभी तो मैं पॉलिटिक्स को लेके कमिटेड नहीं हूँ.
राइट. But when you are committed, जब आप कमिटेड हो जाओगे किसी भी चीज के लिए, तो फिर वो करोगे no matter what.
Sure.
फिर कोई भी आपको रोक नहीं सकती है. So when you make a goal, कि I want to start a business. Let's say Sunil wants to start a business. Okay. You have to be very clear. You want to start a business is an interest. I am interested or I am committed. If you are not committed, don't start. Because business has its own ups and downs. And the first down, you will leave it. Because you're just interested to do business. But if you're committed, then no matter what happens, you will still be doing your business. So that's a big difference between interested or committed, which is again a power within you that you have, provided you know where you want to go. अगर आपको वो नहीं, गोल क्लैरिटी नहीं है, तो फिर इंटरेस्टेड और कमिटमेंट में हमेशा कंफ्यूजन रहेगा.
सही.
Okay. The third, so the next point is, हम लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. आप बिजनेस में हो, आप गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट हो, आप जॉब में हो, आप बहुत सीनियर पोजीशन पे हो, आप बहुत जूनियर पोजीशन में हो, आप हाउसवाइफ हो, आप घर में काम करते हो, बच्चों का जो भी आप काम करते हो, पूरी शिद्दत, फुल फोकस. Shahrukh Khan, and I'm really using Shahrukh Khan here because he is an actor, right? So when he goes for shooting and he's playing somebody, Kajol's boyfriend, in that movie, he will play that role fully till the director says cut, correct? और कट के बाद वो अपने घर, काजोल अपने घर, right? So all of us are playing a role in our lives, either an employee, a businessman, a wife, a daughter, a husband, whatever, but we are all playing our roles. Be like the best actor. Do the role the best. जो भी रोल आप प्ले कर रहे हो, जब तक वो रोल है तब तक आप उसको बेस्ट प्ले करो and play it fully till the director says cut. यहाँ डायरेक्टर जो है वो ऊपर बैठा है. Okay, so the seventh power, the sixth power, I think, not seventh, is play the role. Play the role fully, because being outstanding is a choice that you have. जो भी रोल कर रहे हो उसमें आउटस्टैंडिंग होना is a choice that you have. That's the power that you have. The power you have is to play the role fully. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Awesome. So when you are playing the role fully, then life automatically becomes in alignment. So all these powers that we talked about, okay, अगर आप इनके साथ काम करोगे, you know, play your role fully, take control, let go, catch the negative, don't listen to the voice, win over the voice, और एक क्या था? Focus.
Take control.
Vision.
Focus, clarity, focus. Now, if all these seven are working in tandem, then you will live a life in alignment with the universe. And when I say universe, what is universe? Nature. When you start doing things opposite to what nature wants you to do, you will always end up in a chaos. But if you are in alignment with nature or universe, then your life is flowing. Then you have growth, then you have abundance, then life flows. Okay? So release the need to control the specifics of any outcome. Just define the outcome. Don't control the outcome. Define the outcome, take the right actions, take the right behaviors, attitudes, beliefs, thoughts. But we end up taking control, right? And take control of what? Of your own power. But don't take control of the outcome. Outcome is always a result of series of things in alignment. Are you all with me? Does it make sense?
I didn't get it.
Good.
Can you give me some example?
Let me do it as with an example. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपने कुछ प्लान किया है, राइट? आपने एक वेकेशन प्लान किया है कि ऐसे यू विल गो, ये करोगे, वो करोगे, यहाँ जाओगे, वहां जाओगे, ठीक है? ओके, एंड देन समथिंग हैपेंस इन द वे and you have to make changes in the plan. Now at that point of time, what happens to you? Are you trying to control? नहीं, मैंने ऐसा सोचा था तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Or are you able to flow? ठीक है? So it's also about saying yes to life. जो हो रहा है होने दो. And just embrace it with an open arms. Then you are not holding something or controlling something. And when you release it, something much better can happen.
I agree.
So that is where the whole story of aligning with universe. We think we know everything. We don't know everything, right? We have a very limited vision of what is around us. That's all. सब कुछ हमें नहीं पता रहता है. हम उसी लिमिटेड विजन के अंदर अपने को हीरो बना करके सब चीज को कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. लेट गो, जाने दो.
सही.
क्या पता उससे ज्यादा अच्छा कुछ हो जाए. Yeah, so that's what it means.
Sure.
And now moving to today's main topic also is law of action, no? How to take that action. So here I want you to write, and this is an assignment I'm going to give you. None of you respond on the group, which is so sad. कोई हाँ कर लिया, नहीं किया, ये समझा, नहीं समझा, अच्छा था सेशन, बुरा था सेशन, कोई कुछ नहीं लिखता है ग्रुप में. मतलब हद है. Can I request all of you to please respond? Because this is what I want you all to think. So now, Shine, you want to say that you want to maybe start a business, right? What is
That's
the
correct.
vision of the business? And I want you to write this, fill in this whole sentence. My dream business is making a huge difference in the world around me, because through it, what will happen? And that will give you your purpose.
Yes.
Right? And once you have written this, then I want you to write the next sentence. I will share these in the group.
Yeah.
My annual net worth is this much, my gross annual income is this much, and I'm giving this much to this. So whatever you have, कहते हैं कि अगर आप सब भर के रखोगे अपने में, तो आपके पास जगह नहीं रहेगी और आने के लिए. So जो आ रहा है उसमें से जो थोड़ा सा बाहर वापस देते रहना चाहिए ताकि और आए.
Correct.
Right? And it can be anything. It can be love, it can be emotions, it can be money, it can be anything. Material thing, whatever. जब तक जगह नहीं बनाओगे और आएगा कैसे?
प्रकृति उसको फिर भरेगी.
Correct.
I think the first line, the annual word should not be there, right? My net worth is what you're referring to, because the second line says annual gross income.
Yes, my net worth. Got it? So this is only on financial, but you can do this on everything.
In fact, it sounds better if we don't put financial here. We have sufficient greed to carry on taking without giving. So the other thing sounds interesting.
It's easy to understand financials to give. You know,
Right. No, but others is also, our greedy selves don't come in. They say, okay, we are equally keen to give.
True. Very true. Very true. Till we start giving, we are never going to start receiving. So it's not like पहले आ जाए उसके बाद सोचेंगे. It's always जो आ रहा है उसमें से जो जाना है. Right? जगह बनाओ और आने के लिए, और जितना आप से जाएगा बाहर, multiple times वापस आएगा. Now look at what you are giving to the world. Let me give you an example. Now this is my favorite example and I use it very often. Housewives in India have a tendency of negotiating. Aloo, pyaz, thoda sa मिर्ची, थोड़ा सा धनिया, correct? Right? और वो बेचारा एक आलू के लिए हम उसको 1 रुपया तो भी कम करा करके आएंगे. Right or not? A lot of us have this whole negotiating thinking in our head. And then we feel very good कि देखा मैंने 1 रुपया कम करा लिया. Now I'm going to give you a very different angle. If you are making somebody else work harder for their money, do you think you are going to work easy to get your money? अगर आप किसी और को मेहनत करा रहे हो ताकि वो पैसे अपने कमाए, तो बॉस आपको उससे ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी अपने पैसे कमाने के लिए.
Shalini, I'll connect you with my company's HR. Probably if you can tell them this statement, that'll be great.
I know HRs don't like to listen to all this.
But actually, it is not HR. HR is just the face.
Yeah, exactly.
So they are just the people to give the good or bad news.
Yeah.
We consider them as that, but they have zero role to play.
Are you understanding this? So whatever you are giving, if you're giving out love, you're going to get multiples of love. If you're giving out anger, you are going to get more angry people. I remember long time, I used to have a person and that person just used to irk me. मतलब रोज मैंने उससे अगर 5 मिनट बात कर ली तो मेरा दिमाग खराब. Okay, and I used to get very angry with that person. And once I get angry with that person and I go to work, somebody or the other is getting angry on me and I never could connect it. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था क्या हो रहा है. When I started, understanding this law, the way this universe works, then I said, oh my God, मैं उस पे चिल्लाती थी और उस दिन तो पक्का कोई ना कोई मुझ पे चिल्लाता था. So what you give is what you're going to get. Simple. वो law है, karma है. हम लोग in India we are taught karma, right? This is karma. जो आप दोगे वही आप पाओगे. And it is in everything. Everything. It's not necessarily कि आपने किसी को murder किया है तो ही कर्मा लगेगा या आपने किसी का बुरा किया है या झूठ बोला है तो कर्मा लगेगा. No, हर चीज में लगता है. Because karma doesn't have an intelligence. Please understand, karma is not sitting with an intelligence of judging you. Karma works on emotions and actions. Right? So it's not saying कि आपका good action or bad action. आपने जो action किया खट से वही चीज आपको और मिलने वाली है.
Reaction.
So if you understand, yes. So if you understand this, you'll be very careful of what you're doing. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Then the last sentence becomes, I now have this and I feel like this. So what do you have and what do you feel is what becomes your action point. Clear? And then what are the questions that you're asking? So are you asking, मेरे साथ ये क्यों हुआ? Or you are asking, मुझे ये आगे क्या करना है? So past questions are क्यों या why? Present question is how should I do this? Future question is what is it that I want? Does it make sense? So अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा why पे अटके रहोगे तो आप present और future पे काम नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर आप सिर्फ what पे अटके रहोगे और how पे नहीं जाओगे तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा. So it's all about
How.
What you want and how are you going to get that? And not the why, because why you cannot change. Why are you like this? इसका कोई आंसर ही नहीं है. Why did somebody do something like this to me? अरे बाबा, there is no answer to it, no? There is no answer to a why.
It happened.
Exactly. So that's the action you have to take. Now there are 4 guiding principles. I have been talking about it. So I'm going to just do a recap. Thought becomes things. आप जो सोचोगे वही होगा. Like attracts like. अगर आप happy हो तो happy emotions you will attract. Sad हो तो sad emotions you will attract. Like attracts like. Focus what you want, because whatever you put your attention on, that will grow. What you give comes back many folds. Karma. And live in gratitude. जो हमने कल बात किया था. Be in the gratitude. Every moment of your life, be in gratitude. Right? So, this is what I wanted to discuss about. Going forward, I'm just going to say, if anybody wants to continue your journey on whatever we have started in unlocking, because 3 days, 3 hours in a group doesn't work. Each of us have very specific individual issues, right? So what I am suggesting is, if anybody wants to take it forward, then I will share how we can take it forward. Okay. And but till now, how did you find the session? How was it for you? How did these 3 days for you?
Conceptual clarity हुई थोड़ी.
Okay.
और borrowed beliefs जो growth को रोक रहे हैं वो नहीं समझ में आए. हाँ, क्लैरिटी के बारे में एक चीज मुझे बड़ी अच्छे से क्लियर हुई कि इंटरेस्टेड और कमिटेड का डिफरेंस.
वेरी गुड.
तो मुझे समझ में आया कि मैं, हाँ, जो मैंने कैच किया है कि मैं अभी इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, कमिटेड नहीं हूँ उस चीज पे.
यस यस.
तो आई एग्री कि इंटरेस्टेड और कमिटेड का डिफरेंस है. और कुछ जो गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स हैं ये बहुत अच्छे लगे. और बोरोड बिलीव्स में मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव हूँ. और अभी तक की लाइफ में मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ है कि जब मैं कोई क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में फंसी हूँ, मुझे कहीं से ऐसी हेल्पलाइन मिलती है कि मैं हमेशा, पता नहीं, गॉड मेरे लिए कुछ भेजता है और मैं हमेशा ओवरकम कर जाती हूँ इस प्रॉब्लम से. और ये मेरा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है कि आगे भी मेरे साथ ऐसा होगा. जब मैं किसी भी ऐसे सिचुएशन में फंसती हूँ तो कोई ना कोई होता है मेरी मदद के लिए, या फाइनेंशियल हो या करियर में हो या कुछ भी हो. तो ये मेरा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है कि आगे भी जब मुझे ऐसी कोई जरूरत होगी तो हमेशा मेरे लिए हेल्पलाइन अवेलेबल होगी. हमेशा होगी. वो कोई भी हो सकता है पर हमेशा होगी. ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है और ये और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जा रहा है समय के साथ.
वेरी गुड.
जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस है उसको देख के
मैं भी कल के सेशन के बाद से कुछ थोड़ा फोकस सोचने का विजन तैयार कर रही हूँ कि हाँ, मुझे फोकस्ड होना है. जो मैं चाह रही हूँ उस पे मुझे क्लियरिटी मिलनी चाहिए अपने आप से.
Very good. Shayan, how were the 3 sessions?
I think for me, from the first day I started implementing, I think what you spoke about, sideways thought process and everything, right? So I kind of analyzed and I could understand that I was thinking too much of sideways and comparing a lot of things. I think, I made a conscious effort to kind of, stop that and then think about the forward goal kind of stuff. And that has really helped me a lot. And along with that, I think some of the other, aspects that you've taught, especially the mind, the heart, as well as I think the third part was the body or something, right? That was also an eye opener. I would like to understand, how to actually practically implement this, right? Because I know about goal setting, I know about visions, and I have always put in some short-term goals as well as long-term goals. But achieving those has been a bit of a problem for me, right? So how to execute those and how to stay committed to your goals and everything is something that I'm trying to understand.
Fantastic. Actually, most of us have this problem. हमें पता है करना क्या है, पर कैसे करना है और फिर वो होता नहीं है, and then time निकल जाता है. So,
right.
I am a coach basically, and I have realized when what is the importance of coach when I got a coach for myself. Otherwise, just life was going on like that. Okay. So what a coach does is coach helps you to focus. आपकी इतने सारे priorities में the coach will keep pushing you to move forward on few specific areas. Also, the coach will be able to help you fine tune certain rough edges. Okay. And that helps you. Otherwise, you will continue to keep doing whatever you're doing and not reach anywhere. So, I mean, I have realized the importance of a coach, and that is one of the reasons why I thought, let me help more people get into the right direction. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just making an offer of what I have if you want to continue with this journey forward. So what worked for me was learning. And if you're taking deciding to learn and take action, then we can move forward. And okay, so what I have to offer is, see, currently my 1 hour charges are about 6,500 is what I charge for my 1 hour consultation. This was hardly anything, but I have my Growth Accelerated Intensive Mentoring Program, which is basically a coaching, hand-holding and coaching program, which is 3 personal coaching sessions of 1 hour each. You can add more if you want to, but generally 3 are good enough to start with. And then we can take it forward, and which the cost is about 19,500. Hold on, I have something more to offer. Along with that, I have my video courses, which are 3 days, 120-minute courses, which talks about life of ease, which is law of attraction, all those 4 or 5 guiding principles that I talked about, the whole description about it, how to bring it alive with assignments and work. Okay, so this you can complete in 3 days. That is priced at about 6,999. Then hold on. This I will give you free if you are taking what I am going to offer at the end. Then I have a 21-day step-by-step process of how to manifest and flow with ease. Okay. Now this is a 21-day video course, again recorded, which you have to day by day, step by step, you have to follow it and process it. Now this is priced at 14,999, which also I'm going to give you free if you take my offer at the end. Plus I have another bonus, which is 11 super powerful strategies to become an inspirational leader. This is again a video recorded 11 days session, which is priced at 1,999. This also I'm going to give you free. Plus I have a 21-day guided meditation, mystical meditation, priced at 7,499, which also I'm going to give you free. So why am I giving all of you free? This is only as a free if you take the bundle of my offer. So the total value of free that I'm going to give you is 31,496. But what is the actual bundle value of the GAIN program? So the GAIN program is 19,500. Bonus you get worth 31,496, which is free. And all this, if you sign up, 19,500 plus 31,496, everything put together, you're going to get it all for 9,999. So this is the special session offer that I'm giving. The value of the entire bundle is 50,996, and you're getting it for 9,999. Okay, and in this you save about 40,997 rupees. This is one time, otherwise the price goes back to the normal if it is not the session offer, right? So this is how you can take it forward and implement it if you want to work together. I will do one thing. If anybody wants to make a payment, I'm just going to put the link in the chat box itself. So that I'll just put it in the chat box. If anybody wants to make a payment, here is the link to make the payment for 99999. You have any questions on what else is included?
What you will cover in
the coaching? Okay, so what will get covered in the coaching?
what you will cover in coaching?
Yeah, coming to that, Uncle. Coming to that. So what I'm going to cover in the coaching is basically step by step your goals, how to write your goals. There is goal setting, but how to write your goals, how to bring in the laws that we have talked about, or the guiding principles. Look at your borrowed beliefs which are blocking you, help you to clear those borrowed beliefs, and then look at certain behaviors which could be blocking your growth, coach you out of those behaviors, and then help you to move to what you want and what are the options available to you to get to your goals. That is what I'm going to be covering as part of the coaching session. So just a second, I think I've stopped the share. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I am doing. Now, if we want to really make a difference in our lives, so there are two ways of doing it. One, we don't do anything and we continue and we hope and pray that something will happen. The second is take an action and make sure that something is happening which is in your control. Now, another thing is, if you are not making any choices in your life right now, then somebody else is going to end up making a choice for you. Right? So what you do in the future will depend on what you are choosing to do today. If you don't make a choice, somebody else will. Right? So get into your heart, look at what you want, and then take an action. This kind of an offer you are not going to get. So it actually works out to how much? About 3,000 something per session, plus all the bonuses included, which is priceless. And since you have spent 3 days with me, you know the way I am going to be hand-holding, cutting it down into pieces and making sure that you have your outcomes with you the way you want it. Okay, so I'm just coming back to the offer again. Yes. Okay, any questions anybody has?
I was wondering what time the sessions would be. I mean, I can book based on my availability.
These 3 personal coaching sessions will be based on mutually decided time, Shine. So,
okay.
So that is something that is between us, and all the video recorded session, you will get the link so you can do it on your time whenever you want to. Okay. I will be sharing all the links with you. Okay. But if you go through it like the way it is structured, it makes more sense, because then you will follow the whole sequence like that. And once you go through those video recorded sessions also, these personal coaching will have more relevance, because then you'll understand what I'm speaking and how we are going to work together.
Right.
Yeah. So these personal coaching sessions are always mutually aligned. Any other question anybody has? So this offer I'm going to keep open till tonight about 12 o'clock. You have the link, please copy the link and save it. Think about it. If you want to get on to this journey, then let's do it together with Growth Accelerated Intensive Nurturing Program. Yeah. So nurturing program, or I also call it the mentoring program. So it's more of a mentoring and coaching program to make sure that you are ready to reach where you want to be in your life, without letting the time just pass by. And we are waiting and watching and wondering what else to do and how else to move forward. So, yeah, so take an action. An inch of movement will bring you closer to your goal than a mile of intention. So, हम सोचते रह जाएंगे और सोचते सोचते जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, या हम एक एक्शन लेंगे and we come closer to हम कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं.
Okay.
Fantastic.
The offer is open till 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Till 12 tonight. So if anybody has any questions on the offer, coaching sessions, classes, courses, anything, or anything.
Can I say something, Shalini, about your coaching?
Yes, Ankur, please. Thank you. I thought you were driving.
Yeah, so I have actually taken, she is a good friend and my coach. And last 2 years, I have seen huge difference in myself. Even though I have done so many businesses and all those things, but still there was a lot of fear left, worry left, and law of attraction. I was actually, I was not writing my goals properly, law of attraction. So I have actually taken law of attraction coaching from Shalini. And since then, I can see I'm going towards that. Let me see if I have law of attraction, Ankur. Yeah. So I have mentioned, like, what all I wanted to do. So previously I was saying I want to do meditation for 2 hours. But what Shalini has told me is you have to put it in today's time, saying I am doing deep meditation for 2 hours daily. I am deeply connected to universe. I receive direct messages from Creator. Physical being, I have energy to feel kinetic whole day. I have stamina, and I have a short but deep sleep. I have a 50 crore as a revenue per year, and I have listed Metonic in BSC. And the list goes on where I have my parents, where I have my daughters, my wife. I have published 5 books, which are New York bestseller, and all those things. So I have seen huge difference, and what she's asking is nothing. If she asks even 90,000, I'll pay for it, because money doesn't matter at the end if we get out. Thank you, Shalini, for all your help.
Thank you very much, Ankur. That was really nice. Thank you so much. And you are a good student also. I mean, you really did give me a hard time asking me 20,000 times why and what, but finally you ended up doing and taking those actions that we discussed. So thank you so much. Yeah, any other question? Otherwise, we can all take a leap. Shine, if you have any questions,
Thank you.
let me know. Bharti, you have any questions, let me know. Priyanka, Sanjeev.
No, I don't have any specific question. I'll probably, enroll, and I'll stay connected.
Yes.
Just go for it, Shine. 9,000 is 200, not even $200. Don't worry.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so just
Let's make
go
it
for it. And
ourselves.
Shalini, you have the meditation classes and all. Do you want to talk about that? I sleep late, so I don't join those meditation classes.
Anybody want to join meditation classes, please, most welcome. I do meditation every day at 5:45 in the morning, every day. So if anybody is interested, it will be great to have you on board.
That's great.
Right?
Sunil is missing. Sunil will definitely come because he wakes up at 4 o'clock. So
I know. He wakes up.
I'm sure Sunil will come.
Traveling today, so I have to have a chat with him. But yes, it will be nice. How, Priyanka, you said something?
5:45 is difficult.
5:45. Yeah.
Actually, सुबह की नींद नहीं हो पाती तो पूरे दिन थकान रहती है.
तो रात में चालू करना है, वही तो करना है. एक रात पहले जल्दी सोना है, प्रियंका.
पूरे दिन में नॉन स्टॉप काम करती हूँ, इसलिए मैं सुबह को सैक्रिफाइस नहीं करती.
Okay. I think she has a recording of some of those. Shalini?
Yes.
मुझे पहले भी ऑफर दे सकते थे शालिनी, पर वो फिर मैं पूरे दिन.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग जब उठो तब कर लेना. मैं today I am coming where I was I attended one Shaktipat meditation. Super powerful. It's a next level word. I'm like, I wish you guys could have joined that. Very powerful meditation.
Good.
Okay.
You're looking refreshed.
I'm looking refreshed. Yes, thank you. ठीक है, चलो शालिनी, bye. You can send 1 or 2 meditation sessions on group. Shalini, just send 1 or 2 recorded meditation.
Thank you everyone.
Thanks everyone.
Yeah,
thank you.
bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
Missing Sunil ji. Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.